Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Spaziale Vivaldi espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up as well as replace the water pump. The one you see right here. This is the head of the water pump and it was basically clogged up and it was not working correctly. So we replaced it with a newer one that is inside the machine. We also see a couple of leaks coming from the boiler and we just descale this machine and replace the gasket and give you some care. And as you can see, the older shower screen of the machine and gasket are right here. This is the older gasket. You can see some deformation going around the portafilter where the portafilter will sit. Same on the sides as well. You can see it right here as well as on that part over there. Shower screen completely clogged almost. Bunch of coffee in there. Lots of coffee buildup on the shower screen. So we replace that, we replace the gasket, we replace the water pump, we see the leak, and yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee and coffee very dripping. I have a feeling we're gonna see just drip coffee as this grind is for a vibratory pump and this machine has a rotary pump. So let's just try it out. You can see some crema kind of forming in the bottom of the shot. It's a little too fast. It's fast for this machine. The grind needed to be more finer as well as probably tempered a little bit harder as well. We end up having good crema on top of the espresso. We could have gotten a way better shot by making the grind a bit finer and tempered maybe a little bit hard. We're not using the machine portafilter as we do not have one. This is one of the machines that we were borrowing another portafilter from another machine. Hot water, as you can see, working extremely well. Really good flow, working perfectly fine. And steam, working extremely great. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Spaziale working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.